A blessed Friday to us and happy solemnity. There is just but one simple thing which this solemnity actually gives us as a rightful understanding of the mysteries that God is actually making or doing in our lives. Well, even if it is called a mystery, there are so many things that we also need to support. And the Assumption of the Blessed Virgin Mary, by the way, is a unique event. But if we consider it in scriptures, actually it is still unique. Because in the New Testament, after the ascension, the resurrection and ascension of the Lord, she is the first one to be actually assumed into heaven. But within the context of the Old Testament, there were already three who have been assumed into heaven. From the book of Genesis, there was this Enoch, who walked with the Lord and was seen no longer. The second one that we can actually base on scriptures is actually the prophet Elijah. In the second book of Kings, no? Gipasakay siya sa chariots of fire into heaven. And that's the reason why these people who were actually, especially Elijah, also was expected to appear. But there is another tradition that is so strong that Moses was also assumed to heaven. And that's the reason why he appeared during the Transfiguration together with Elijah. Now, the Blessed Virgin Mary's greatest privilege is precisely because she is the Ark of the Covenant. She is the carrier of the one who already ascended to heaven. Naturally, the one who ascended to heaven got his humanity from her. And since his humanity is now with him, naturally, ug asa siya gikan, at nuna na gipauna dadun po siya dito. But it's not only that. This is also our source of hope because all of us will soon be assumed into heaven. That is the great promise of the Lord to those who remain faithful. Another thing about this solemnity is there are so many apparitions of the Blessed Virgin Mary. Inasmuch as there are also many bogus, daghan pong mga pangilad pod. But why is the Blessed Virgin Mary appearing at Lourdes, at Fatima, no? Garabandal, okay? And even the question now in Yugoslavia, no? Why is she appearing? Precisely because she has been assumed into heaven, body and soul. And that's the reason why our devotions of the Blessed Virgin Mary, especially those who are which were officially recognized by the Church, is a sure sign of what we call grounding, that what happened to her will also happen to us. And as her children, she will always be around us, with us. And as we always say, with her blue mantle, protecting us. And so as we continue this Eucharistic celebration with great confidence and joy in today's solemnity, let us also look forward, even more forward, to the very bliss that is promised to those who remain faithful and who are being helped by our great Mother, the one who is assumed to heaven as we celebrate her today. Amen.